Today, we have a 2026 Forest River Rockwood travel trailer. This 2608 BS is 29 feet and 8 inches in length, has a dry weight of 6,876 pounds, and can sleep up to 6 guests comfortably. The exterior of this unit features a rear storage compartment, rear ladder, prepped location for backup camera, 2 entryways, 21-foot electric awning, front storage compartment, and a 4-point leveling system. Inside the unit, we see the theater seating. To the right, we see the 44-inch dinette that converts into a sleeping area. Across from the dinette is the kitchen area. It features a large stainless steel sink, countertop space, 3-burner range, oven, over-the-range microwave, 12-volt refrigerator, and tons of cabinets for storage. Across from the theater seating is the smart TV, Bluetooth sound system, and electric fireplace. Next is the unit's bathroom. It features a foot-flush toilet, medicine cabinet with mirror, sink, walk-in shower with a glass door, and a linen closet. Finally, in the very rear of the unit, we have the bedroom. It features a queen-size bed with storage underneath, secondary entryway, and large wardrobe for storage. For more info or pricing on this unit, please visit our website or give us a call.